फाइनल फॉर्मूला लिख दो। फाइनल फॉर्मूला लिख दो, क्या बोल रहा है? Right. Sit down. What is the escape velocity for our planet? कितनी escape velocity given? होनी चाहिए 11.2 and unit kilometer per second. 11.2 kilometer per second. The force between two heavy bodies, what will be the formula here? Mass of one planet is m1, other is m2. Distance between is r. What is the formula between them?
सर g mm बट्टा में d स्क्वायर और r स्क्वायर।
d square और very good. Value of capital G?
सर 6.61 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 11.
Unit of force?
सर फोर्स का न्यूटन।
Newton. And you can find the unit of capital G
यस
with the help of formula? What is?
सर न्यूटन मल्टीप्लाई बाय द मीटर किलोग्राम स्क्वायर बट्टा में मीटर
Square.
मीटर
निकाल सकते हैं formula? अच्छा. What is the formula for total resistance when the four resistors are given R1, R2 and R3?
सर इन सीरीज में पहले
In series.
सर RS इक्वल्स टू R1 प्लस R2 प्लस R3 प्लस R4 ऐसे
And in the parallel?
सर 1/RP इक्वल्स टू 1/R1 प्लस 1/R2 प्लस 1/R3
1 upon R2. Sit down. Don't solve it and final answer what will be here. जिससे पूछूं वही बताए. This is asked in the 10th board exam. What will be the total resistance here? Yes, just raise your hand. Yes, please.
सर तो
Both are in series or parallel.
सीरीज
What is the total resistance here?
4
And this 4 and this 4 will become in parallel or series.
पैरेलल
Which formula you are used?
RP upon equal to R1 plus 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2.
When the last final answer, you should have to take the reciprocal of the values 1 upon 2 and the reciprocal is 2. Unit of resistance.
In ohm.
What is resistance? Define resistance. Yes. What is the unit of resistance? When a plot graph between voltage and electric current, what type of graph here obtained? Yes.
Sir, straight line.
For which wire this is obtained?
Sir, right.
What is the conditions? What is Ohm's law? Define.
Sir, scientist Ohm gives a relationship between the voltage and current. The voltage is directly proportional to the electric current, and the formula is V is equals to IR.
V equals to
IR.
IR. For this wire, for which wire this Ohm's law is applicable? इसके लिए यूज करके निकाला गया नाइक्रोम वायर. What is the resistivity? Resistivity. What is the formula for resistivity? Rho. What is rho here? Yes, please.
Sir, rho is the resistivity.
Resistivity formula.
Formula, sir, L.
Anyone? Yes.
RA upon L.
Unit for resistivity.
Ohm meter.
Here I am writing the two physical quantities. P equals to 10 ohm and Q equals to 20 ohm meter. When the length of wire is